But now, Pat Bowden won his quali group convincingly. Can Pat come in as the destroyer with this massive ruler flip over the next gen? 8 meter on the return side. Huge 360 knack. Oh my God, that is unbelievably huge heart attack flip, just looking through all the way and holding it so long. Massive cliffhanger. Going for the upright tricks. Now Pat rolling around. Huge cliffhanger flip. Pat Bowden coming with the big tricks. Oh, rolled over backflip. Oh. Here we go, front flip. Oh, what? Tsunami front flip. Don't rock solid backflip. Rocky flip over the next gen, and that was not small. That was a big rocky flip. Oh, Pat Bowden is back in town. This is the double up. This is the last jump. Oh, here we go. Will we see first ever from Pat Bowden at Night of the Jumps? Double backflip. Perfect. Oh, what a run.